Okay. I'm going on. Number 1, a rectangular closet is 2 feet deep, 5 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. What is the volume of the closet in cubic feet? So I'm going to draw my closet. I'm going to say it's 2 feet deep, which means kind of like that. There's the closet door. There's my 2 feet. Okay. And then we are 5 feet wide, so it's 5 feet across as I walk in the door. And then it's 7 feet tall. Okay, so 7 feet tall. There's kind of my picture, so it's going to be 7 feet right there. What is the volume? Volume equals big B times H. Well, the big B is the area of the base. The base is a rectangle, so it's base times height times height. So volume equals base times height times height. So my base is 5, my height is 2, my other height is 7. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. So your answer is C for number 1. Number 2, a box of candy is shaped like a triangular prism. How many cubic centimeters of candy can the box hold? Okay, so we're going to use the same thing. We're going to use that volume formula. It's going to change out because the base is a triangle. So it's base times height divided by 2 times height of the prism. Okay, so the base of the triangle is this 4 right here. Or actually, nope, I'm sorry. I misspoke. The base of the triangle is this 5, because look at where it's at. This 4 is describing this, so 5 times 4 divided by 2 times the height of the prism, which is 9. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by, went too far. 20 divided by 2 times 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 times 9 is 90. Okay, so number 2 is 90 centimeters, and make sure it's cubed because it is volume. Number 3, Daryl is going camping and is taking the tent shown below. How many cubic feet of space will you have inside the tent? So you're talking about volume here. That same formula, we're going to sub in our base, area of our base formula. So the base of my triangle is 4. The height of my triangle is the 6 right here. And the height of my prism is 10. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. Okay, so that should have solved 1, 2, and 3. Oh my God. Number 4, the Louvre Museum in France has a glass pyramid in front. The side measures 100 feet. Okay, and it reaches 72 feet high. Okay, so that's 72 feet high. Okay, so how many cubic feet of water could it hold if it turned into an aquarium? Okay, so this is different. It's going to be a pyramid. So that pyramid is going to be this formula here. Okay, so it changes and adds that 1/3 in front. But the base is going to be a square pyramid because it talks about it. And then a square pyramid is in that wording right there. Okay, so 1/3. So that was ugly. 1/3 base times height times height. So 1/3 of 100 times 100 times 72. Okay, I can't take a third of 100 easily, but I can take a third of 72 because that's 72 divided by 3. And we get 24. Okay, so it would be volume equals 24 times 100 times 100. And then 100 times 100, I know. Okay, so I get 10,000. 10,000 times 24 is 24,000, which, okay, not 24,000, 240,000. Okay, so 240,000 is my answer, which matches answer choice G. Okay, number 6, the box of cereal shown below has a volume of 192. The area of the base is 24. What is the height? Okay, so volume, look at my formula. It's this, and then I'm subbing in my rectangular base. Now I'm subbing in what I know. I know that volume is 192, so that's on this side. I know that the area of the base, which is this whole section, so these two pieces, is this right here. Okay, it's by the information they gave us. So can I solve, I'm looking for the height, I'm going to have to work backwards. Can I solve for h? 24 and h are multiplying, so the opposite of multiply is to divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 24. So 192 divided by 24. I should get 8, maybe 8. 192, oh, sorry, 0. So that works out evenly. So h is equal to 8. So looking at that, we have G on number 6. Oops. Number 7, the pyramid of Khufu is a square pyramid, 9 meters tall. So the height right here is 9 meters. The perimeter of the base is 100. So that means every side adds up to 100. So if you divide that by 4, you get each side is 25. How much buried treasure could the pyramid hold if it was perfectly hollow? Okay, so you're doing this formula here. Okay, my base is a rectangle. So 1/3 length times width times height, or base times height times height. I've been saying base times height times height, so let me fix that. Okay. So 1/3 of 25 times 25 times 9. Okay, I can take 1/3 of 9, fairly simple. Okay, so 1/3 of 9 is 3. So if I mark that out and I get 3, I get 3 times 25 times 25, and 3 times 25 is 75. 75 times 25. And I got 1875. Okay, so my volume of this pyramid is 1,875 meters cubed. Okay, number 8. Use the diagram below for questions 8 and 9. The cube pictured above has a side length of 4 centimeters. So it's 4 centimeters. It's a cube, remember, so all 6 sides are the same. What is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means it has the 4 center ones, and it does not include the bases. So the area of each little piece is 16 because it's a 4 by 4 square. Okay, so 4 by 4 square, 4 times 16 is 64, which is answer choice B. Number 9, what is the total surface area of the cube? So you would, instead of just doing the 4 center ones, you would do all 6. So you would say 16 times 6 is 96. So we get answer choice J on that one. Okay, I'm going to stop this video right here, and I'll make the second one here in just a minute.